Hello, third grade, and welcome to Thanksgiving week. In this video, I'll be describing our Thanksgiving challenge that we will be doing today and tomorrow. And you may just win the prize if you get to the closest number. Now, as you're going through the day today, you will see this little turkey. Now, whenever you see this exact turkey, not if you see one that looks different, but only if you see this turkey, I want you to write down where you saw it and how many you have found. So for example, if you are watching this video right now, you could write down video, just where you saw it. So you saw it in a video, and then you can just say you saw one in that video. Now I'm going to be asking tomorrow morning how many turkeys you found. If you get closest to the total amount of turkeys that I put in the lessons and in the videos, then you will get some kind of prize. But you will have to send those guesses. It will be on the very last page for the day. So this is what the very last page of your Classic looks like. And you can enter your number in here. If you want to record on the side, like I saw one in video, I saw four in a video, so then you can add it up at the end of the day. You can do that on this page as well. So that's what our challenge is, and you'll have to look tomorrow to see who the winner is and what the surprise will be.